I'll be showing you how to do the rain effect on Photoshop. First off, we need to go to File, Open a picture up that you want to use the effect on. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, picture of a city, open. Next we have to create a new layer by going to Layer, click, New, Layer. Just going to keep the name as Layer 1, OK. Next we go to Filter, to Render, Clouds, click Clouds. Then we go back to Filter, to Noise, Add Noise. Leave it if it isn't at 400%, make it 400%. Distribution uniform, monochromatic on, OK. Back to Filter, to Blur, down to Motion Blur, click. Angle minus 74 degrees, distance 10 pixels, OK. Then we go to the Layers menu here, click the tab, select Screen, and there you can see the rain effect. You can select the amount of rain you desire for the effect by clicking the opacity menu here and scrolling either down, obviously, to create a less of an effect, and the higher, the more of an effect. And that is the rain effect on Photoshop.